viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Let me just put this out there. I have been on a roll when it comes to giving y'all content other than hair videos. I love that for me. Like, I hope that y'all are enjoying these videos. So this video is going to be on a company. I actually just recently, maybe like a month ago, did a video on this company. It's like a dupe for high-end products. So this company is called FashionKicks. If you are interested, I would leave all the links to what I'm about to show you in my description box, as well as their website. Now, the last time I did a video on them, people were like questioning, had a lot of questions because it looked very much scamish, which it kind of does. Now, if you're purchasing something, especially from China, they go by weight. It be the weight. So stuff might be affordable and then depending on how much stuff you get, the shipping costs can be up there because they're going by weight. Me personally, I don't be purchasing stuff off of the actual website. What I do is I contact them through WhatsApp. I just feel like it's just way more better, like, to me. And then from there, like, if you see something on their website, I will screenshot it and then send it to their WhatsApp. I don't know, it's just more personal. Sometimes I feel like the shipping be cheaper. So that's that. Let's hop into what they sent me. So I wanted to keep it like LV inspired, and this is going to be a giveaway, y'all. Do people still do giveaways? Like, is that still a thing? Because I'm about to make it a thing all over again. Like, let's bring back old school YouTube, okay? So this is gonna be a giveaway video. Y'all don't gotta do all that fancy stuff with, like, follow me. You do have to first of all, you do have to be subscribed to my channel. Like, that's just a given. But it's only here in this giveaway. I'll explain everything at the end of the video, and it will also all the instructions will be listed below in my description box, just in case you're confused on anything that I said. So yeah, let's just hop into this video. I want to share 3 items I was sent from this company, all LV inspired items. Let's hop into it. So these were the 3 products sent to me. I was sent shoes, this is a purse, and this is earrings. So let's start with the smallest to the biggest. I'm really excited about this. Like I said, I try to keep it like a thing. Alright, on to the earrings. The bag is really nice and cute, and it just says Louis Vuitton on it, and it's that orange color, which they do have small bags like this. Now the box, I don't know if actual earrings come in this type of box. I do have the real Louis Vuitton earrings, and mine came in this box that looks like this, and you just pull it out, and these are the earrings. Now I spent like $700 on these earrings. I spent the good little penny on these earrings, and they was the last earrings in the Louis Vuitton store, so it was just like more pressure to get them because they was the only ones. And you know, like, everybody was trying to get their hands on these earrings, so they was always sold out. I don't regret spending, I mean, $700 for a pair of earrings is like, I probably won't ever do it again. But I will tell you, like, I be getting my money worth. I wear these earrings all the time and don't think twice about it. Yes, if I'm paying almost $800 for a pair of earrings, I'm going to wear them every day. So, I know some people probably sick of me, but I don't care. Yeah. I wanted to get like a dupe pair because I always lose these earrings, y'all. It is hard trying to keep up with these earrings, and every time I think like I lost one, my heart just drops because I know how much I paid for these freaking earrings. So I'm like, all right, cool, let me just buy a dupe pair, something that looks exactly like it. Alright, so I was sent these earrings. First of all, this company sends you pictures of the products before they actually ship them to you. Now, when they sent me the pictures of these earrings, I was not expecting them to be this small at all. These are like really mini earrings. Although they're cute, they don't look like my original pair. First of all, they're really small. Second of all, the clasp to shed them is not the same, and then throughout the LV they have like Louis Vuitton engraved in it, and that's not how the real thing is. I mean, they small enough because I have two holes that I can actually wear on the second hole and then wear my real ones on the first hole, but I wasn't really trying to go for that type of vibe. I just wanted to put these to the side so I wouldn't be so worried about losing my earrings all the time. But sorry, don't mind my nails, y'all. They are a freaking mess, but these are the earrings. Look how freaking miniature they are, you guys. Cute. The clasp is like that on the real ones. Now, I don't know. I haven't been on the Louis Vuitton website, so I don't know the new earrings that came out. Maybe they do have an earring that looks like this, but for this particular earring, the clasp looks like that. So I'm not going to keep these, y'all, because I'm just like, although they're cute, they just don't, they don't serve me a purpose. Maybe somebody out there would love these. I do feel like they are like cute, but not for me. So this will be part of the giveaway, just in case anybody is interested. Moving on to the purse I got. So I wanted this purse so bad because, first of all, okay, this is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette bag. This was a popular bag where it was hard to come across. Everybody had it because I just felt like it was a cute bag. That's when like mini bags and stuff was like popping. I felt like you could, like, people was actually adding chains to this bag. So it was just a lot that you can do with this small bag for a nice price for a Louis Vuitton bag. Back then, I think I paid like four something for my mini pochette. I have two of them from Louis Vuitton. Why ain't none of them over here? Alright, so I do have two of these purses, one in a checkered and then one in a simple, the regular monogram, right? Those bags wasn't expensive, and then like I said, they went up in price. And I really wanted this bag for myself. Like, I really wanted this color wave bag. But first of all, it was sold out on the LV website. Again, they upped the price for mini pochettes. Now they like maybe $800, almost $900. I'm not doing that. Going all the way from like $300 to $400 to $800. Like, are you kidding me? But this is no longer on the Louis Vuitton website, so I wanted to buy it secondhand. Secondhand is like $800. I'm not paying that much, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get me like a little fake, right? I actually bought this one, right? Bought this one. I'm real anal when it comes to stuff not looking how it's supposed to look. So this part right here is just way too long. It's supposed to stop right here. Mind you, this is one I bought myself, not from this company. Now, the one from the company, this is what they sent me. It is a tad bit shorter, but I still feel like it's on the longer side. It's supposed to hit right here, and it goes like almost all the way to the bottom of the bag. But this first one though, this one is just like unnaturally long. Like, I don't understand why it's super long, like really long. And I don't know if y'all are seeing that compared to that. You see what I'm saying, y'all? Like, it's, I don't know, is it just me? So I'm actually going to keep this one, even though I'm still not a fan of it, but it's so cute. So it is like a color block. It has the green right here, and then when you turn it around, it has the tan, and then it also has the white right here. I just think that it's really cute, you guys. It looks so pretty. And then it just has the tan suede in the inside. So I am going to keep this bag, but I have two now. So I'll be giving the other one away. So for this giveaway, you will be getting this purse if anyone is interested, along with the earrings that I showed you. Moving along to the last item that I received from this company, and this is my absolute favorite, y'all. So it's a pair of shoes, okay? They are sandals. Super cute. This is the box. It does have the slide out. You slide it out like this. Y'all, look at these freaking sandals. How freaking cute is that? And you see the vibe I'm on now, y'all? Like, I wanted to wear these with the cute little purse, and then maybe do like a nice little maxi dress, like a tan maxi dress or a white maxi dress, and then have the little bag with these shoes. They are constructed very well. They definitely have like some weight on them for sure. And they look really good on my foot. Like real good. They fit perfect. But yeah, I love these. Can't wait to wear them. And that's why I don't want to get rid of the bag. But at the same time, I just don't want to... Like, I'm being a cheap bitch when it comes to designer stuff now. Like, when I tell you I was that girl that spent so much money on real designer, it's crazy. But honestly, no. And then I got a whole missing tooth that I'm just like about to get my mouth done. My mouth is more important than designer, okay? Your girl don't even have no tooth, and you think I'm buying designer? Like, no. No. Until I get my mouth fixed, I'm hella cheap. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now on to the giveaway. Like I said, you will be entering to win the earrings I showed you, along with the mini pochette bag. Now to enter this giveaway, you just have to be subscribed to my channel, and you're going to leave a comment in the comment section down below and just say enter me. That's all you're doing. Only enter one time, y'all. Don't keep on entering multiple times. Just one time. Enter me. So today is Tuesday. Next Tuesday will be the last day to enter this giveaway. Then on Wednesday, I will announce the winners. It's probably going to be wise if you follow me on Instagram. So you might want to follow me on Instagram, because Instagram is where I will post the winner on my story at 6 p.m. on my story. And the winner must inbox me once they see their name on my story, and then we'll go from there. I'll give them 24 hours to claim their prize. If they don't, another winner will be randomly selected. And that time I won't post it on my story. I'll just like contact them personally. I hope you enjoyed this video. Good luck, and I will see y'all in my next video.